A day late on our holiday, but off on our way, heading off south to our first stop to stay, meeting the hills to relax and converse, visiting Diddley Squat Farm and emptying our purse. Exhaustion reached, setting up the bed for 3, exploring Chipping Norton, stopping off for a cup of tea. The first day of our summer holiday that we almost missed. Join us as we wonder more of the UK, ticking off that bucket list. Hey and welcome back to the channel. I'm Leanne.
I'm Oliver.
And this is the Travels of Ethel. You are not going to believe it, but we are actually setting off on holiday. We are in Ethel, we are on our way on the motorway. The time is about 7:30 and everything seems okay.
Super excited now. Feeling real.
Seriously, the bad omen is continuing. We're just driving down the motorway,
And a big bloody pigeon's just flew into the bonnet and all its feathers are stuck in his bloody bonnet now. We've just been talking now and we're saying, I don't know how you feel about it, but when you're travelling to your first destination, it doesn't really feel like you're on holiday. But no matter where you're going, once you get to that first destination, you're officially on holiday, or that's how I view it anyway. I don't know about you, but we're 13 miles away now. So 13 miles and officially I'm on my jollies.
Look here, look! Bye! Made it! So I had better try and get us booked in and then we can finally get parked up. We have just arrived at the campsite. It says that you can only book in between 1 and 3, I think it is. It's not 1 and 3, between 1 and 3. So I've just grabbed Steve, who is down there having a good old chinwag, and I'm hoping I can batter my long eyelashes and say, pretty please let us in. And we are parked next to the wonderful Berth. Her awning, look at that, we were just saying how big it is. That's the same size, it's bigger than Ethel. So if it rains and we leak, we're going straight under there. And just there is Diddley Squat Farm. So guess where we're going? I hope you're not making a mess in my nice clean van.
I'm not making a mess, I'm putting everything away.
We have just had a lovely cup of tea and a catch up with Beth and Ricky. We haven't seen for ages because we missed the last meet up due to van issues for a change. So now we are going to go over to the farm and have a good wander around. Oh my God! As if our luck hasn't been bad enough. We've just put a cardigan on, ready to go over to Diddley Squat Farm, and it's just started throwing it down. This is mental. The bad luck just never ends. Here we are and we have arrived, and I don't know if this is an English thing, but there's just like tons of queues. There's even queues for the side.
We are all sat in the queue along with loads of other people at Diddley Squat Farm. I don't really know what they sell. I think we're having a barbecue tonight if weather's right, so hopefully some nice meat or something like that.
Now everybody that's been, well, a lot of people that have been, have all written all over this barn, all this wood, and signed it to say that they've been here. We've gone for a good old stick of stick. So you all think Beth is really, really nice and innocent. Guess what she's going to say that she's going to draw on this? What are you going to draw?
Oh, just Jeremy's cock.
I also love how Ricky's been all controversial by wearing an Aldi top. A Diddley Squat Farm shop.
I've not been out promoted.
How are you finding your experience so far, Tim?
A bit bored, just in the queue.
It's just not what we expected, is it?
We were expecting cows and chickens.
I wanted tractors around and things. Not only have we got to queue for ages, there weren't even let dogs in. That's doggiest. And Oliver, being the true direct gen, has offered for me to stand outside with the dogs while he goes in first. not letting him have his moment because I've outed him. Look, he's took dogs off me so I can go in first. He thinks that he's saved himself, but yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, this guy's a little basket.
How cute are you?
Look at smaller basket we've got there, and Beth's loaded Tia up with that. Ricky, have you just spent your hard-earned cash at that shop? And look at the bag!
I'm going back for a refund in a minute.
Has it broken? That is disgusting.
That wouldn't happen at Alder.
Well, Leanne, what did you think at farm?
Well, I'm going to be really, really honest because I feel like many people are. There's not enough there. It's really overpriced. The gimmicks there, I don't even think there's enough things, do you know, to like buy that are cool little quirky stuff. It's absolutely packed. There's not enough facilities to allow for the amount of people that go there. I can't say that there's something that I'd recommend people do. I mean, if you are driving through and passing, by all means stop off, but reality is I'm not a fan. I am not impressed at all.
Leanne as well has only bought me one bloody cider, so it's not even like I can have a decent taste of it. I'm only allowed one. But yeah, it were alright. There's not a lot there. I'll be honest with you, if you're doing a 2-hour drive, I won't bother coming. Unless you're really, really all set on doing so. It's not great.
It's a bit boring.
It feels really cool to be out in the van and all to be mended and that everything's okay just now. Tia has just kindly made us dinner, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
So we're going to have a quick bite to eat and then we're going to head off and explore.
We're just waiting for Beth and Ricky to get the sons motivated. And yeah, off we pop.
We are off with Ricky and Beth into the local town. We've jumped in on their plans and we've said, right, that's what we're going to do. Poor Beth and Ricky are travelling proper third class compared to their beautiful motorhome and roughing it in Ethel. However, I do think they're enjoying their adventure. How are you finding Ethel?
Oh, this seems very comfy.
Is it a little bit wrinkly?
No, actually, it's solid.
Ricky, are you gonna start trading your camper van in and get a vintage van? Why? Because it moves. Don't lean too far back, you'll be on floor asleep. Here we are. Ricky and Berth have brought me somewhere. I don't even know where I am. Anybody? Where are we? Chipping Norton. And they pulled me into this car park. It's nice and free and Ethel's bum squeezes in. But we don't know where we're going. Now, I'm thinking I'm going to follow Ricky, but the last vlog I watched where everybody followed Ricky, they ended up miles and miles and miles. So, who only knows? So Ricky's got the sat nav out. Does that mean we're lost already? Yeah, I think we were going wrong way.
Chipping Norton began as a small rural settlement but was later developed to include a church, castle and later a town hall. It is believed that this area of the Cotswold has been inhabited since the prehistoric era. Evidence of this can be found just a few miles north, where you will find the Rollright Stones, a stone circle dating back between 2,000 and 4,000 years ago.
Here we are in the Cotswolds and I just forgot how beautiful all the buildings are. It's just, oh, I love it. What is it?
Something bell. Night bell.
A night bell?
Yeah, that was a night bell.
Tia's just pointing out that we're from the me-sized door.
Literally, all the doors are like minute here.
Edwin Burbage lived here. 53rd Young Soldier Battalion, Royal Warwickshire Regiment. From July 1900 to the 17th of October 1918.
And there is your history lesson from the hills on tour.
The development in these small towns was thanks to the booming wool trade during the Middle Ages. Many of the original buildings can still be seen standing to this day. Leanne and Berth have found their way into this traditional sweet shop. I think they're buying woman out of business, to be honest. There's a right bag on site, so I've been for a few treats tonight.
We have just tried a mega sour cherry sweetie, and wow, they were sour.
Alright, here we go. It's going in.
Oh, really? Fine. Oh, fine. Oh, they're awful.
Everyone's face. Yeah, they are.
Are you alright with that?
No.
I don't even like them. They're not even nice.
We're all walking around like we're chewing wasps.
Are you finding it here?
Horrible.
We've all had one.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna use that mine.
Surely not. Is that not painful?
It's like best cooking.
So cheeky.
surprised herself there.
Beth, a goddamn dog horse! Oh my god! Thank you!
Today, Chipping Norton is a typical Cotswold town with quaint streets, picturesque houses and an abundance of country-style shops selling local produce and merchandise. I'm just drinking my Folkestone cider. It's absolutely gorgeous actually. Really nice. I'm not really a cider drinker but I do like that, it's lovely.
We've had a really chilled evening since we've come back from walking around we're at a town or a village? What's it classed as?
Town.
We're going to class it as a town. We've sat and had a little chat and a drink with Beth and Ricky. The sun has now gone in and it's getting a bit nippy, and we haven't eaten, have we?
No, so we've decided to come back to Savannah and we've got Caddock on go, we're cooking some tea. Yeah, we're having a bit of barbecue, so it should be nice.
This is the most chilled out day I think I've ever had in this camper van.
Yeah, we've had a right relaxing day. It's been nice to be honest. We've sat down, had a chat, haven't we, and a few beers, and it's just been lovely. It's been lovely. Right slap up here, haven't we? Chuffy now.
It's not really like cooking in van tea.
It's better than cooking in the house.
Are you enjoying van life, Tia?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
That is the hardest it has been for a long time to put that bed up. Jesus Christ. 2 words for you. Fixed bed. Have we found putting bed up for the first night?
I'm considering driving Ethel home right now and cutting it short because I'm not looking forward to doing that every night. That would work out, won't it?
So it's been that long since we've put the full bed up. I actually forgot how to do it. So normally me and Leanne just sleep in this sort of section. Obviously because we've got Tia, we've put all this side up as well. So yeah, we've had a right performance. Well, Leanne and Tia have, they've done it.
No, you
So
don't do anything.
that's sort off. So yeah, nearly there.
We have just had a lovely evening sat with Beth and Ricky, just chatting, loads of rubbish to be fair. It's now 11 o'clock and we are shattered. So we're going to end the vlog there and go on to day 2.